So let's be honest, the default Windows cursor can be kind of boring, and whether you want something fun, bold, or just easier to see, so changing your mouse cursor is a quick way to add some personality to your PC. So in this video I'll show you how you can change your cursor on Windows 10 step by step and no tech skills needed, and I'll even show you how to install custom cursors if you want to get fancy. So step 1 is to open mouse settings. For that you can click on start menu and type mouse settings and then hit enter. In the new window, click on additional mouse options. On the right side, a window called mouse properties will open. You have to click the pointers tab at the top. Here you will see the list of cursors types like normal select, text select, etc. You can choose a new cursor scheme under the scheme, like click on drop down menu, pick a preset like Windows black or system scheme or Windows inverted for high visibility. You will instantly see a preview below. Once you are happy, just click apply, then OK. And if you want to install custom cursor pack, for that you need to download a free cursor pack from a trusted site like rw-designer.com or deviantart.com. Just after installing, unzip the files if needed and go back to the pointers tab. Click on browse and select any .cur or .ani file from the pack and click open and apply, and then enjoy your custom cursor. And that's it. You have changed your mouse cursor on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Whether you wanted it for bold, fun, or just easier to see, now you can customize it in your own way. So if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And if you got a cool cursor pack to recommend, just share it in the comment. And thanks for watching. Happy customization.